Right now is the most exciting time ever to be in manufacturing. The technology advancements with robotics, traditional machining, and computing power is just accelerating at an amazing pace. So I think what makes BAUM different than most machine shops is that we typically, and throughout the history of our company, have always taken those challenging jobs. We like to learn from taking on challenges because we believe that leads to growth in capabilities and business. We specialize in milling applications of components, typically very feature-rich parts that are very complex, whether they be high tolerance or difficult to machine materials. We do a lot of aluminum, stainless steel, titanium, and various nickel alloys like Inconel and Hastelloy. We do anywhere from a prototype one-off piece up to thousands of parts a year. We have long had a strength in our in-house engineering capabilities and collaborating with our customers to help them to design parts, to make those changes up front where we can to make those parts better, faster, and cheaper from the inception of the design. We have full-time engineers here that their job is to collaborate both with the customer and in-house to figure out the best and most efficient way to make a part. We've invested very heavily in multiple pallet machining. Our milling machines are capable of 3-, 4-, and 5-axis machining. We have several multiple pallet machines that are capable of running multiple jobs, all set up at once to minimize our setup process, to continuously keep our machines operating on a 24/7 basis. The Osmond machine is our latest 5-axis multiple pallet machining center. It has accuracies down to, I believe, 2/10, 32 pallets, 314 tools. So that gives us the capability of running anywhere from a very complex one-off prototype with super tight tolerances to running a high-volume production job on the same machining center. So it gives us accuracy and production combined. Our largest part that we're able to do is a 60 by 30 inches. Tolerances typically are the plus or minus 5,000s, but we can machine down to about 2/10 tolerances depending on what feature is and what the material is. In addition to machining really complicated parts, we also do mechanical assembly of just about any aerospace type fastener. We do in-house painting as well, all through marking and final inspection, all the way through laser scanning parts to vision machines that are able to measure optically, to all the probing technologies, as well as probing on the machine to not only measure as accurately as possible, but also as efficiently as possible. A lot of really great things have happened with technology and machining today, so we've continued to invest everything we possibly can in the latest, most accurate, fastest machines. We've been ISO certified since 2004, which is a basic manufacturing international standard. We added the aerospace certification back in 2012, which is the AS9100. Now at Revision D, and we also have clearances for ITAR, which is through the Department of State. Pretty much every time you step on a commercial jet, you have one or several of our parts in that plane. The aerospace industry is extremely rigid, regimented industry from a quality and process standpoint, so we're part of that whole supply chain. And then from the defense and military standpoint, we make a lot of parts that go into pretty much every branch of the military, from fighter jets to C-130s, various cargo planes and bombers, Navy vessels, ground vehicles, just about every application you could think of. So we're very proud to serve our military. We believe in American manufacturing. We use American materials whenever possible. We believe our technology, our quality is far superior to anything you'll see overseas. The customer will walk away from us knowing there's going to be a high level of collaboration. They're going to have the highest trust in us that we're going to deliver what they're asking for.